Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, it is a collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, their information will be in my description box. Please go visit them, show them a like, and also comment to let them know that you're enjoying their videos. It truly helps our channel on YouTube. I appreciate it very much. If you'd like to join this collab, you can reach out to AGEDGRACEFUL on Instagram and let her know you would like to participate. It happens every second Wednesday of the month. With that said, our theme this month of June is a wedding makeup look. So we can be a bridesmaid, the person who's getting married, mother of the bride, aunt of the bride, you name it. So this is what our video is going to be based on. When I got married the first time, I wore pink dress, pink hat, because pink is my favorite color, so I did that. When I got married the second time, I wore a reddish burgundy dress. I never wanted to get married in white. I don't know why. So those are the two dress colors I wore for each wedding. I'm gonna find some pictures. Hopefully I find them. I know they're upstairs in an album, so I'll go search, take pictures and put them up on the screen so you can see because I do things differently. We all do things differently. So I love pink. I did pink my first wedding. My second wedding, I did burgundy wine color. Please visit the other ladies. They take time and they create some beautiful looks, and when you see them, they're all different. We do something different all the time and it's always fun. So visit them and check them out and see what they have created. I'm just fixing the edges of this makeup. I'm using the LYS bronzer today. It is really dark. It's deep. I should have gotten dark because it is deep. That's my highlighter. I'm putting that on. I am back with the look, the wedding look for the group Keeping It Real Fun collab, and I will unveil my wedding look. I have the outfit, so I'm a little high so you can see I have an outfit that I made. I have my pearls, and my diamonds. I have a long veil. I actually went out and get lots of material to make a long veil, so I do have a big veil here. Now this is the look. This is the look. I'll come a little closer. I'm a little higher because I want you to see my outfit that I made. I try not to sew anything. I usually use pins to keep whatever I make so I can always use it to do something else. But this is the look. I use pink because my first wedding I used pink. This is my look for the wedding theme for the group Keeping It Real Fun. Please go visit the other ladies. Go check them out. It is always fun to see what we create. Today's quote is by Annis Nin. It says, "Each new friend represents a world in us, a world possibly not born until they arrive. And it is only by this meeting that a new world is born." Again, today's quote is by Annis Nin, and it says, "Each new friend represents a world in us, a world possibly not born until they arrive, and it is only by this meeting that a new world is born." Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup will see you in another video. And I Simply You Makeup is saying, keep having fun. Live life to the fullest. Life is short. Live life the best way possible. And if fear is holding you back today and preventing you from doing something, step into fear with baby steps. And as soon as you step in, I can guarantee you, fear disappears. Because fear is just an illusion. Work with fear in baby steps and navigate it, and you will be surprised the things that unfold. And this beautiful pink wedding look is for the color Keeping It Real Fun group. And please, as I ask, go visit the ladies. After you watch my video, please go check them out. You'll be surprised the things we come up with. Have fun, be blessed, stay blessed. This is my new book I just received, and this is the back. The link for this book will be in my description below. Go check it out. Give me a support. Buy a book. Let me know what you think about it. And like I say in the back, remember, your situation is not you. Your situation is never you. Read about my childhood and you'll see. I know it's gonna change some life. It's a very easy, quick read. I try to make it really small so you can get to read it and understand a little bit more about me. I didn't want it to be too big so where you get bored with it, so I kept it small, short, sweet, to the point. Again, I am saying I love this, I love this, I love this. Bye! See you soon in another video.